Happy Friday, welcome to your Sports History Challenge. Fun fact, sometimes we hide a fake. Is today one of those days? What was the name of the golf ball that revolutionized the game in the early 20th century, replacing the gutta-percha ball and allowing for greater distance? That's right, the Haskell. What is Usain Bolt's official height, often cited as a factor in his long stride? That's right, 6'5". In what year did women's soccer become an official medal sport at the Summer Olympic Games? Correct. Which NHL team holds the record for the most Stanley Cup wins? Correct, Montreal Canadiens. In 1961, which golfer became the first foreign-born player to win the Masters tournament? Precisely, Gary Player. Which athlete famously won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Olympics, undermining Hitler's propaganda? Precisely, Jesse Owens. What was the name of the Boston Celtics dynasty's legendary coach who won 11 NBA championships in 13 seasons? Precisely. Red Auerbach. What is the name of the Italian football club, known for its black and white stripes, where Alessandro Del Piero spent the majority of his career? That's right, Juventus. Bobby Orr played the majority of his NHL career with which team? Correct, Boston Bruins. What is the record for the most home runs hit in a single Major League Baseball in MLB season? Precisely, Barry Bonds. Don't miss tomorrow's food and drink challenge. Follow now.